that loud crack when you break a chikki, that sweet jaggery aroma filling the kitchen, and that first crunchy bite that instantly takes you back to childhood winters. If this already made you smile, then you are going to love today's recipe, because today on Spice and Slice, where food tells a story, we are making winter special Gur Moongfali Chikki. Super crispy, perfectly crunchy, and made completely at home. No machines, no store-bought tricks, just simple ingredients, easy steps, and a lot of love. So, if you love traditional sweets, or if you think chikki is hard to make at home, stay with me, because this recipe will change your mind. Let's begin with peanuts, the real hero of this recipe. Take a pan and add 1 bowl of peanuts. Dry roast them on medium flame until they turn crunchy and aromatic. You will know they are ready when the kitchen smells like winter happiness. Peanuts are rich in protein and healthy fats. They give strength, energy, and keep you full for longer. Perfect for cold days. Once roasted, transfer the peanuts into a clean cloth. Close it tightly and rub them gently. This easy trick removes the skin beautifully. No mess, no stress. Now use a sieve to separate the clean peanuts. Such a satisfying process, right? Now let's move to sweetness. Jaggery, our Desi gold. Chop the jaggery into small pieces using a knife. Smaller pieces melt faster and give a smoother syrup. Jaggery improves digestion, boosts immunity, and keeps the body warm during winters. Take a pan and add a little water. Add the chopped jaggery and cook it slowly. Keep stirring patiently. Good chikki needs calm hands. To check the syrup, drop a little into cold water. If it turns hard, breaks with a crunch, and doesn't dissolve, that's the perfect stage. This is the secret behind crispy chikki. Now add just a pinch of baking soda and mix well. This makes the chikki light and airy. Remember, only a pinch. Add the roasted peanuts and mix quickly, so every peanut gets coated with shiny jaggery. Grease a butter paper lightly with ghee. Transfer the hot mixture, cover it with another butter paper, and gently roll it out using a rolling pin before it sets completely. Cut it into squares or any shape you like. Once cooled, break them apart. Listen to that beautiful crack, and just like that, your winter special Gur Moongfali Chikki is ready. Crispy, crunchy, healthy, and full of homemade warmth. If you enjoyed this recipe, like, share, and subscribe to Spice and Slice for more easy and traditional recipes. Tell me in the comments, do you like chikki extra crunchy or slightly soft? Thank you for watching and cooking with me. See you in the next delicious story. Until then, keep cooking, keep smiling, and keep spreading sweetness.